Really?
Easier.
It's a weekend, hon.
How that become easier? Makes me
working on-
fat. Everybody's fat and healthy. My God, napipil ko yung vinegar. Ang sakit.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Hindi maginaw masyado kasi yung fireplace is on. But before Tommy go, we have to eat din. I'm just gonna cook the usual thing for us because that's the only thing I know. We have pancake, but I don't feel like making pancake. He doesn't even like eating pancakes. Nadamihan ko yung rice kahapon, luto. No. Ang dami na. Meron pa tayong adobo, pero wala ng itlog. Kasi, kinain ko na yung itlog. Meron chicken. Wala, ano to? Ay, shrimp. Okay. Ano yung kunin natin dito? Egg. Butter. And what? Tamimoy's bread. Han? When you get me my bread, I will show you. I told you it's a freaking hot dog bun. It tastes the same. But it's a hot dog bun. It's split too, and then you can put hot dog in it. But it tastes the same thing. I told you guys it's a hot dog bun. Yung Hawaiian bread. So the Hawaiian bread make hot dog bun and also make burger bun. So it's already 7:35. Magluto tayo kasi alis yung asawa ko, guys. Mga very soon alis yun. Mga 8:30. Yun. Anyway, guys, yung vlog ko kahapon, 'di ba? Ang vlog ko kahapon, pero nakikita nyo na, alam nyo na hindi ako buntis. So yung vlog ko kahapon, so na ano ko kasi na palagi akong hilo. Hilong-hilo ako. And so yun, hilong-hilo ako. And then ilagay ko kayo dito. 9 kahapon. And usually yung ano ko, menstruation ko is paano-ano. Usually this kind of a year is always first week or beginning of the day, beginning of the week, like mga 2, 3 ganon. So hilong-hilo ako. Baka ano na to. Yan yung sa isip ko. Pero na-title ko talaga, guys. Baka buntis, hindi po, guys. Dumating si Powerful. Kaloka, eh. So, yun ang nangyari. So, wala. Iwan ko na. Baka wala na talaga. Wala na talaga, guys. Pero hindi tayo mag-give up, guys. Gusto naman namin. Who knows, miracle happen. Miracle happen. English yan. When miracles happen, we have to eat burger bun. Burger bun. Alam nyo, dahil naniniwala ako sa mga miracle. Yung kapatid nila na, yung may anak na lalaki na bata-bata pa yung bunso nila ba? Ano kasi, sinabihan talaga siya ng doktor. Si Tommy hindi yan sinabihan. Kasi yung ama din nila, ganun din. Sinabihan ng doktor na hindi makabuo ng baby. Hold on. So, sinabihan sila ng doktor, yung ama nila at saka yung bunso nila. So, pero nagka-baby, diba? Meron sila Tommy, 5. Yung bunso nila, na-shock na lang. 40 na ata siya. 35. Yeah, 35. Almost 40 siya na buntis. So, na-shock talaga sila. So, yun, diba? So, shock na shock sila. So, ngayon, itong asawa ko, hindi siya sinabihan ng doktor na ganon. Na hindi siya magka-baby. Pero, I think dahil ito sa sigarilyo, pero itry talaga. Kung itry lang talaga, no? At sabi ko nga, miracle eh. Yung ama niya at sa yung kapatid niya. Siya pa kaya na hindi sinabihan. So, watch out guys. Watch out talaga. Hintay na lang kayo ng maghintay dyan. Oh, look, oh, sabi ko sa inyo, oh, may twin dito. Twin na naman yung egg, oh. Parang something lagi na may nagsasabi sa akin lagi. Twin talaga. Wala, nabasag yung isa. Okay, pangit. Nabasag yung isa. Nabasag yung isang baby. Bad thing. Bad thing happened. But anyway, so yun guys. Maglambing-lambing tayo sa asawa natin para naman ganahan. Charot. Para palagi ba? Palagi natin yung gawin guys. Gagawa guys. Early in the morning guys. Ito yung topic. So what? Halos naman nanonood ako sa analytics ko. Halos naman nanonood sa akin is ano talaga, mga mostly 30 pataas. May mga 20 pataas pero ang madami siyang mga 40 pataas. So okay tayo sa mga ganong topic, 'di ba? So, 'yun. And ang daming babae. Of course, gets naman 'yan. So naano lang ako, ang dami talagang 40 pataas, no? Yung may mga 20, may mga 18, pero most wala, mga gamay, konti lang talaga, pero mga 20 pataas, ganun. So, yung mga 20 pataas, okay naman yan. Alam na nila yan. Alam na nila yung mga ganong bagay. Hoyo feeding. So, anyway guys, luto lang tayo guys. Okay guys, so nag-ano lang ako ng mga dadalhin ni Tami sa isang bahay. Kasi, and then, ano din ako, nag-separate ng pagkain para, kasi andito si Bianan. Kunin ko siya bukas. Ayan. So, para hindi na ako magluluto-luto dito. Para may ulamin na si Bianan diretso. Ito, kay Tami to. Tami, chicken, and barbecue chicken. Ito is ano siya, fried chicken, barbecue chicken, and steak. We took the gate na dito sa office kasi dito yung bed ni Bian na nilagay namin sa gilid. Pero anuhin ko pa yan, ayusin at maglinis doon. So doon si Bianan matutulog kasi, you know, alam nga naman naalis kami sa bedroom. Mas malaki pa nga itong office ni Tami mas malaki pa tong office ni Tami kaysa tinutulugan ni Bianan doon sa kapatid ni Tami. Maliit. Maliit yung bed doon. Bedroom. And maglaba din ala sa kanan. May pasalad si Tamimoy. Doon. Para meron siyang ano. Wala kasi siyang rice doon. Hindi yan marunong magluto ng rice. I mean, marunong naman yan, pero iba. Ika ng measurement ba? Ang alam, marunong siya, pero hindi sila magluluto. Ang lutuin lang ni Tami kapag magluto siya ng rice is ano, Spanish rice. Spanish rice. So, yun yung ano, alam niya. At kung magluluto siya ng plain rice, alam niya din, pero measure tayo, ano lang to. Hey, you're a monster.
I'm not taking it out.
Yes.
Hon, I'm not going to eat it. The other ones
Okay.
are still.
You buy food and then
I bought it so you have it here, so it make your life easier.
Easier.
Hon, I only need a few pieces to take with me for the weekend. Huh, really?
Easier.
It's a weekend, hon.
How that become easier
I
makes
work
me
out.
fat. Everybody's fat and healthy.
Right, hon, you have a little piece. You don't need the whole freaking thing. Oh, look, a whole cake. Let me stuff it down my throat.
It's bad now, honey. You don't eat that. Get your thing. Don't touch it.
I'm going to come back in anyway.
Never touch anything. Homie, did you leave anything here? You leave your phone. Maybe your girlfriend will call. I answer. Don't bother my husband and I will hunt you. Who's crazy now?
My question.
Who's crazy now? That's why he's rushing away from me, guys. He's rushing to go to the other house because he doesn't like me. Look at me.
And really, seriously?
That's the thing.
That's the thing.
That's why
Guys,
he
that's the thing.
That's why he need me move.
Get used to this. That's the thing, guys. I made you move.
That's why he never moved her in this house because he tried not to be with me. It's easy. Just let me know and we will separate. It's easy, quick. No more ladida. You shut off the fireplace. I forgot to call my sister.
This is old. This is extinct. This is impossible.
Well, the owner of this restaurant specializes in the
Please hang up and try again.
He's so cute. And people ask, why your husband, his eyebrow is dark?
Yes, God.
medicine is competitive because medicine is a business, just like
Your eyebrow is black.
if you don't
Mixed
They're
with
not really.
gray. But
They're
it's
gray,
mostly
isn't it?
black.
or the fame or
Han, can you just start cleaning up, Han? Please, baby.
immortality. I've got cancer. It's a form of leukemia. It's going to kill me someday.
Give them treats, a little bit treats only.
Thanks, years me.
Anyway guys, alis na kami boy. You know Dada's leaving? Oh, Dada's leaving us again. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Misty doesn't even eat, hon.
I know. I'm still leaving. Even your bad not eat. I bet if I look inside that refrigerator, there'll still be juice for the steak in there in the container. That.
Yes, honey.
How's it going? Well, I'm finally getting a clue.
You know why? You'd rather let it rot and throw it out and give it to them.
What?
It's not like you ever do it to you.
The caseworkers who want to kill Monica.
And they'll enjoy it.
Really is
And they'll make the meat.
5 years.
Why?
The same thing why you keep it.
For them.
She's gonna die tonight.
And then you want me to do it, so you keep it, you should do it.
You put a little bit on their food every time you give them food. Until you run out of it. I take a little bit.
Between age 4
Say bye to our friend,
call now
Bye,
internet friend.
for a free
Bye
Bye.
guys. Yeah, my hair's a wrap.
Hello, my camera is acting up again. So I'm looking right now, yung liquid, ito. Liquid gold. No, I don't want to use liquid gold. I want to use yung ginagamit ko na pang-spray sa wood. I'm just going to clean the side table. And remember guys, we still don't have, for the office right there, yung Tammy's office, we don't have any office cabinet for TV, for telephone, for cable, for whatever it's need to be there. I still have to make the bed, still have to clean the bed. But before cleaning my bedroom, I'm going to continue the mother-in-law's space. So this one right here, this is the shorter one, and because we don't have a cabinet, just like what I said, we don't have it, so I will put the pieces here. Kasi guys, we've been looking for furniture, but we kind of, how do you call this, kind of still looking. It's pricey, guys. We're looking for affordable and a nice piece. Affordable and nice. So I just have to wipe this, clean this up, and next summer, guys, I will paint this. I will. We have. My mother-in-law have a lot of this. I think have four or something. 4 of this, and I will be there. I will paint this to make it a nicer, and it's a real wood, so all I have to do is kind of sand this, clean it, wipe, vacuum, and then paint. Then we will decide, maybe not white, guys, not white, probably gray, not dark gray, kind of like half to light and dark in between. Kailangan lang i-vacuum para malinis na. Ito lang siya, guys. Ito lang yung magawa ko for now kasi wire. Kasi wala pang Ito lang yung ni Bianan. Hindi, guys. Anuhin ko muna yung ilabhan and then change para kasi maginawin si Bianan, dapat maraming mga anik-anik dyan. At ito, always naman dyan kasi sa pusa. Ito yung sabi ko, guys. Look, nawala nga yung ano dito, oh. Meron ako, yung mga iba na nakita ko, natatanggal kasi. So, ito siya. Maganda ito kapag mapintahan, di ba? Kapag ma-change, lalo na yan. So, yun. At saka, tapos na ako dito. Ang daming buhok dito sa blinds. So, ang ginawa ko sa blind is bina-vacuum ko rin kasi yung buhok dumidikit. I cannot. You what? I'm not hurting you. I'm just touching your back. I'm just touching your back, baby boy. I just did. And yun, itong bed ng pusa. Well, sa dog ito, guys. Ito yung sabi ko, guys, na nabili namin sa Costco. This one is, we get this from Costco. And this was like 29 bucks. It's big. Pero tignan nyo, pag pumunta kayo sa Big Lots, it was expensive for a small one. And this one is really cozy. And you can even lie down. It's washable. And it's cheap, you know. Mas mahal sa Big Lots, guys. Eh, grabe. 30 something, di ba? Yung nagpumunta-punta ako doon. Di ba, ang mahal? For like, small bed. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko to ilagay. Hi, guys! Balik tayo sa mga guys kasi may nagsabi mas mabuti na yung guys. At hindi din ako marunong. Hindi din ako. Yung memory ko is palagi akong naga-guys. Yung loves is parang OA naman. Parang nauihan ako sa love. Balik tayo sa original na nakalakihan. Nakasanayan na. Anyway, guys. So, nagutom ako, guys, sa kalilinis. Hi, guys. We are here in the bathroom. Okay, this time, I'm going to try this thing that they do in YouTube. I watched this long time ago. May nakita akong Filipina. She was filming how to make your hair like look rebanded. Guys, suka lang palang katapan. At saka ito, apple cider, yung mother hacker. Apple cider po ito. So this time, I'm going to try this hack. Hook. At saka conditioner. Ang gamit kong conditioner is yung Dove. Okay, ito yung gamit ko dito. So nakita ko to sa YouTube. Matagal na siya, pero maliligo kasi tayo. So kaya maglagay tayo. Ito yung lalagyan ko kasi alangan naman yung kakainan ko. Ito siya is ano lang siya, look. Ito yung lagyan natin. Hindi po ito pang table, pang kainan, pang ano ito para, aywan ko, basta pang decoration ito. Ilagay ko dito yung conditioner. Conditioner Dove. But before that, sabi pa, ano daw natin, kunin natin itong salamin. Well, hindi naman ako nag-i-edit. And guys, kakaalis lang ng sister-in-law ko. Look, ang daming buhok lagi ba? Basta ako, ang dami. So, kakaalis lang ng sister-in-law ko, guys. She dropped yung mga gamit ni Bianan. So, para andito si Bianan weekend. Hindi na siya babalik dito titira, pero weekend kasi may kasal sila. Dadaluhan yung kapatid ni Tami. Okay, ang dami. Mataas kasi yung buhok ko. And then, lagyan daw dito. Wala naman yung measurement, yung tinitingnan ko. Walang measurement. So, kaya kailangan laglayan natin yung parang hindi naman water, you know. Ito siya. Ito. I think okay na siya. Uy, so, gamit kas kusina, oy. So, ito. And then, imimix mo lang siya. Ito siya. So, next time, bibili tayo ng apple cider na mother. Or, sabihin ko kay Tami, dalhin yung nasa isang bahay kasi para magamit naman. So, ito siya. Lagyan natin konti para maging vinegar itong ulo natin. Konti lang. Let's okay again. Alam nyo guys, if you don't know, marunong akong mag-reband. Hindi yung relax. Kasi yung relax is ano lang yan, pangsandalian, at yung iba is nasisira pa yung buhok. Marunong akong mag-reband, marunong akong mag-wax, marunong akong ma-manicure at pedicure, and yan. Marunong akong mag-facial, and ano pa ba yun? Marunong akong magmasahe, marunong akong basta yung trabaho ko kasi noon nasa spa ako. Ito na siya. Ang gagawin natin, itry ito guys ha. First time ko itong itry, so hindi ko talaga, sabi pa ng dito daw sa scalp, unahin daw sa scalp. Mataas kasi yung buhok ko guys, kaya parang anuhin na natin ito. Yun dito. Ang ginaw talaga, grabe. So, tignan natin kung ang resulta ano ba. Kung okay ba yung resulta nito. Oh my God, napipil ko yung vinegar. Ang sakit. Meron kasi ako pimple na nakurot. Oh my goodness. Suka talaga guys. Suka pa more. Parang imasahin na lang natin yan. Ganon. I-ano na lang natin sa ulo. Ganon, oh. I need more. This is my hand. Okay guys, 30 minutes ito guys. Hintay tayo 30 minutes and then I think that's it. Tapos na akong naligo guys. Tignan ko nga itong ano. Naka-off naman siya. Pero parang may umaandar. Tignan ko nga sa taas. Hold on. Baka naka-andar yung heater kasi hindi ko pati inon yung heater eh. Hold on guys ha. Check ko lang. Punta ako sa taas kasi yung blower ko, blow dry. Yung pang blower ng buhok andun sa taas. So, punta tayo sa taas. And, titignan natin kung ano talaga yung resulta ng mga ganon-ganong ano. Kasi, maganda naman siya. Na ano ko yun. Pag minix mo yung conditioner at saka yung tawag nito, suka. Alam nyo ba kung ano yung naalala ko? Is yung keratin. Keratin guys, naalala nyo yung keratin na gamit ko noon. Wila keratin, naalala ko. Ganun talaga siya guys. Basta yun, yung wila. And hopefully this one, it's okay yung ano. Pero tignan natin kung anong resulta kasi. Hi guys, tapos na akong naligo guys. Ito yung buhok. Ito yung andito sa ibabaw. Sa ibabaw. And I think okay naman siya guys. Hindi talaga yung bagsak kasi hindi naman talaga mabagsak yung buhok ko. And I think kung gagawin ko siya palagi, okay siya. Soft. Ito yung naano ko sa kanya. Yeah, dinadry ko siya sa cold na dryer. Kasi yung ano namin, blow dry, may heat, may mainit, at saka may ginaw. Okay naman siya. Look, soft siya. Kailangan ko na din itong ikat. Si Tami yung nagkat ng buhok ko, diba? Siya yung nagkat ng buhok ko, and yun. So, kailangan lang talagang itrim. Kasi few months, si Tami yung nag-cut. So, kailangan itrim-trim ito. So, I think okay naman siya, thumbs up. Pero talaga guys, yung amoy talaga niya guys is para talagang siyang keratin. So, yan lang guys. Change ko lang yung settings ng camera ko kasi ano siya, nagbabago-bago. So, I think okay tong settings na to. Parang may pagka-bluish na ganun. Come in, Rox. Tinitingnan-tignan lang ako. Come in. Come in. Roxy in. Anyway, guys, it's time for them to eat na. So, what do you think, guys? Sa buhok natin, guys. Yung ibang nakita ko, parang niriband yung buhok nila. And then, iwan talaga. Parang rebanded yung buhok nila. Pero totoo lang, soft siya. I think, balik-balikan gamitin ko siya. Not all the time. Maybe once a week. Or maybe, you know, something like if I think I need it na. But, it's really soft. Try it, guys. And you guys try it. Next time, yung apple cider, yung iba yung gamitin natin. And yun.